Hi everyone. Today we will discuss about MySQL. MySQL is open source relational database management system. That means RDBMS. Used to store, manage and retrieve data using SQL, structured query language. It is widely used with web applications, PHP, Python, Java. Now key features of MySQL. Okay. First one, stores data in tables. That means rows and columns. And fast, secure and scalable. Supports card operations like create, read, update, delete. Commonly used with PHP, MySQL. Okay. Now to open the DOS mode, MySQL. Okay. Let's go to localhost. Before that, to start the server, localhost registration. Okay. Registration CMD. Okay. Open registration CMD. CD XAMPP, CD MySQL, CD BN. Okay. Now MySQL -u root -p password enter. Okay. Database connected. Show databases. Okay. And now to create database, create a database. School. Yes, database creation successfully completed. To check the database. Okay, school. Use database. Yes, database is changed. Now show tables. That means no table. Now we will create the table. Create a table students. Okay. In that ID integer auto increment primary key. Okay. Name varchar 100. Age integer. Okay. Table creation successfully completed. Now show the tables. Yes, one table is creation successfully completed. Now to insert the data in the table. Suppose select star from students. Now empty row. Now insert into students name, age, values. For example, Ravi 20. Yes, one row inserted, successfully completed. Okay. Now I want to insert multiple rows. Okay. Insert into students name, age, okay, values, okay, Shiva 21, comma, again Kavi, comma 22, again, okay, Kavita comma 23. Okay, enter. Now to check the data, students, yes, 4 rows inserted successfully. Now to update the data, for example, to update students set age is equal to 21, where ID is equal to 1. Now to change this one, yes, now to select star from students, okay, 21. Now to delete this one, delete from students, okay, where ID is equal to 1, okay, yes. And I will show you how to connect the DB. In this, just go to Visual Basic, this one, create one new file, DB connection .php, okay. Now PHP open tag and close tag, $conn is equal to new MySQL, okay, localhost root, password is empty, and database name school, okay. Now $result is equal to $conn query, select query, select star from students, okay. Now while $row is equal to $result, fetch the data SSOC, okay, and echo $row name. Now we'll check DB connection, okay. Localhost registration DB connection.php, 6 error, echo SSOC, name, yes. And the DB before that we will check school students, name is capital, Now we'll check. Yes. Suppose take one BR tag. Now we'll check. Yes. Okay. Thank you.